Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to optimize your settings in League of Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, open League of Legends and go to the Settings menu in the top right. Head into the Hotkeys tab. Enable Quick Cast All to use abilities instantly without needing an extra click. This helps you cast spells faster, which is crucial for advanced gameplay. Next, scroll down to Quick Cast with Indicator. If you want the fastest casting possible, turn this off. Now move to the Interface section. Reduce HOD scale to see more of the map. Set chat scale between 50 and 70. Maximize the minimap scale for better awareness. Set health bar names to champion name and enable show spell cost to track mana usage. Under the Game tab, leave mouse settings at default. It's better to adjust sensitivity in Windows settings. Disable auto attack to avoid unintended actions. So that's basically how you can optimize settings in League of Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.